What's up traders, how you guys doing today? I hope you're all doing great. It's another fine day, guys. So you know what, I'm back with another banger for you guys, right? So today, guys, I'm going to teach you a powerful strategy that you can use to scalp the crash 1000 and boom 1000 index, right? So I need you to pay close attention to what I'm going to teach you. Also, I want you to understand everything pertaining this strategy, right? So before I even start, I just want to appreciate all my new subscribers. You guys are really awesome. We are now on the road to 900 subscribers. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like the video, and also if you don't understand everything, just ask me through the comment section, then I'll try to reach out to you as soon as possible, right? So guys, thank you so much for supporting me, and I'll always be delivering quality content for you guys, quality strategies that can help you elevate in these markets, right? So watch here closely. This strategy, it's super easy and super powerful, right? So make sure you pay close attention, right? So as you can see here, I'm already in a trade. I'm in a buy setup, and the first thing you have to do, remember, I want you guys to first, when you install all the settings of the strategy which I'll be giving you guys, I want you to use the strategy through the last zoom level. You can see you can see this is the most zoomed level, right? So I want you guys to practice the strategy on the last zoom level, right? This point where it is the last zoom level, right? So guys, okay, it's super easy. I want you guys to see this. So you can see here, price, you can see this is crash 1000, and crash 1000 we will be looking for buys, right? Crash 1000 we will be looking for buys. So as you can see here, price was oversold, since you can see these moving averages over here, right? They touched the 10 level, right? Making price to be oversold right around this region, right? So when price was oversold from around that region, now our first confirmation is price has to be oversold. It has to touch the 10 level, right? The 10 level over here, right? So our second confirmation, price has to start trading above this black moving average. You can see this black moving average. Now price has to start trading above that moving average. So that is the region where we're looking to buy, right? Now that is our second confirmation, right? Now our third confirmation is the trend, right, which you check from the 15 minutes time frame. You just head to the 15 minutes time frame, and as you can see here, you can see this candlestick that was forming, this green candlestick that was forming, right? This green candlestick that was forming currently, this is what you are looking to scalp, the green candlestick. Remember, the 15 minutes time frame is a much higher time frame, so the green candlestick will confirm your trend as our third confirmation. You have to see a green candlestick. You can see now, when I saw the green candlestick, I entered my buys. So in fact, I have to close these setups, since I'm just scalping 5 to 7 candlesticks, right? And it's what I'll recommend you to scalp. You just scalp, right? You scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, right? 5 to 7 candlesticks, guys. Don't be greedy, and just let me close these trades, then I'll head back to you guys, right? So guys, I've just closed the trades, and right, so I hope you've understood how I've taken that setup. Remember, it's the last zoom level, right? When everything aligns, you enter your buy and you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, right? So I'm just going to give you another example so that you understand the strategy. Also, please guys, remember to practice risk management with this strategy, right? Practice risk management. I told you guys that if you have a small account, right, just use lot size of 0.2, the least lot size, which is 0.2, guys, right? Use 0.2 if you have $20 account, $50 account. Just grow your account gradually. Don't be greedy. You know, when you guys, if you become greedy, you'll blow your account. Remember, we are going against the spikes, right? So you don't have to be greedy. So when the spike comes, right, you won't blow your account. You'll just lose a small amount of money. Then with the winning strategy, you will recover that money, right? So remember to use proper risk management, right? So let me give you another example. So you see this example over here. You can see this trade that I took earlier. Just look here. You can see now there were spikes to the downside, right? And now price was oversold, right? The last zoom level, that was our first condition. It was oversold, right? It's both the moving averages touched the 10 level around this region, right? So that our first condition was met. Now our second condition is price trading above this moving average around here, right? So around this region. Let me zoom in a bit so that you see. Right, let me zoom in a bit. Right there. So around this region, let me show you guys. Around this region is where you're looking to buy. Right now, after this is our second condition, when price starts trading above the moving average. Now our last condition is the trend, right, which you check through the 15 minutes time frame. Just like how I've shown you, you will have to see a green candlestick forming currently. When you see a green candlestick, you enter your buy and you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, right? As simple as that, right? So you check everything through the last zoom level, right? It's really simple, right? You have to check everything through the last zoom level, right? You can see this was another example. This was another example. Price was oversold here, right? Our first condition was met. Our second condition is price started trading above the moving average around this region. So this is the region where you enter your buy. But before you buy, right, remember to check your trend now from the 15 minutes time frame. As our third condition being met, you'll have to see a green candlestick forming currently through the 15 minutes time frame, right? So when you see a green candlestick, you enter your buy, right, and you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, guys. As simple as that, right? I hope you've understood that. So let me show you how to trade now boom 1000. So remember, just use these two pairs with this strategy. Use these two pairs, right? Crash 1000 and boom 1000, right? These other pairs are too volatile, but I'll be providing a strategy that I'm working on for boom 300 and crash 300, and also boom 500 and crash 500. So just stay tuned, right? So let me show you how to trade boom 1000 with the strategy. So boom 1000, we will be looking for sells, right? We'll be looking for our sells, and as you can see here, now we are doing the opposite of what we did now. And look here, guys. Now price here was overbought, right? You can see there were spikes to the upside. Remember, you used the last zoom level. Now our first condition, price was overbought, and it has to touch the 90 level. The moving average touched the 90 level, right? It was around this region. So that was our first condition, right? Now our second condition is started below this moving average around here. So this is the region where you're looking to sell, right? But before you sell, you go check your trend from the 15 minutes time frame as our third condition. Now boom 1000, we will see a red candlestick. Remember, crash 1000, you are looking to see a green candlestick to confirm your trend. Now this one, we will see a red candlestick, and after it confirms a red candlestick, you just enter your sells and scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, right? I hope you've understood that, right? Let me give you another example. And you can see here there's another example. This was another example. You can see our making price to be overbought, right? And you see here it touched the 90 level. Our first condition was met. Our second condition, price started trading below the moving average. This region is where you're looking to sell. That's our second condition. Now, after the second condition is met, where you're looking to sell, you have to check your trend from the 15 minutes time frame, right? And you'll have to see a red candlestick forming currently. You'll have to see a red candlestick forming currently. And when you see a red candlestick, you enter your sales from around there and you scalp 5 to 7 candlesticks, guys. As simple as that, right? So I hope you've understood that. So let me quickly give you the settings of the indicators so that you start with this strategy and test on a demo account first before going to a live account. So you head to that F icon, and now our first indicator, it's the moving average. This moving average on the main chart, right? This moving average. Now you can see period 21, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close. Now just screenshot this and paste it as it is on your charts, right? So just screenshot it, right? As simple as that, and you're done. You'll see the moving average. Now our second indicator, stochastic oscillator, and you can see here the settings of the stochastic oscillator. Period 5, D period 3, slowing 3, price field low high, method exponential. Now here on the styles, right? Here on the styles, let me quickly show you. Put the color of your background, right? You can see mine is white, so put them at white. You have a white background. If you have a black background, put them at black, right? And that's it. Just screenshot it and paste it as it is. I want you to add the levels, the 10 and 90 levels. 90 overbought, 10 oversold. Just screenshot it, right? And you'll be done with that, and you will see here the stochastic. Now our third indicator, right, which you add on the indicator window 1. Here on the indicator window 1, right, you tap there on the F icon. It's this moving average. You can see the moving average, period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, then 4 pixel and any color of your choice, and you'll be done, right? Now our last indicator, which you also add here on the indicator window 1, guys, you add here on the indicator window 1, it's this moving average, right? Really simple. Period 5, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, then 4 pixel, any color of your choice. I just want you to screenshot it and paste it as it is on your charts, right? And you're done. So you'll see there your indicators, add them on your charts, start backtesting on a demo first, and then you can go to a live account and now start trading and making money. So thank you guys so much for supporting me. I really appreciate so much. May God bless you. Have a beautiful Sunday and continue grinding, continue pushing, right? So one day you'll make it on the forex market. You just don't give up, right? So thank you so much.